Hi everyone, my name is Amy. Today we'll walk through how to use your SNAP EBT card to purchase groceries using Aldi's online ordering. First, you'll need to create an Instacart account on instacart.com or on the Instacart mobile app. Then it's time to shop. So right now, I'm on Aldi's website, but you can also use the Instacart app. First, be sure to note whether you'd like delivery or pickup, and make sure you select a participating Aldi's store. You can find the full list of participating stores on the ct.gov/SNAP website. I set my location as East Hartford, and I'm going to select Vernon as my pickup location. Please keep in mind that SNAP will not cover delivery fees. Instacart delivery starts at $3.99 for same-day orders over $35, and Aldi pickup through Instacart costs $1.99 for orders over $35. Also keep in mind that all orders must be at least $10 before being eligible for delivery. So now that we selected a SNAP eligible store location, we're going to add SNAP eligible items to our cart. To know what items are eligible for SNAP, click on Account, Your Account, scroll down to find EBT SNAP information, and turn the slider on to show EBT SNAP eligibility by item. Here, you can also add in your EBT card information, or you can wait until you check out. Another way to know what items are eligible for SNAP is to search for the item you'd like to purchase, such as bread, then click the EBT button and check off SNAP eligible. And when you check out, if you use the slider to show EBT SNAP eligibility by item, SNAP eligible items will have a note saying EBT next to them, which you can see when I click on my cart. You can see my items say EBT next to them. I put one item in here, this dishwashing soap, that isn't SNAP eligible, so you can see the difference. So I finished shopping and am ready to check out, so I'm going to click Go to Checkout. Now, all you do is choose a pickup time, add your phone number, and pay. Here is where you add information for your SNAP EBT card. Please keep in mind that to use your EBT card, you must also have a credit or debit card linked to your Instacart account to cover fees such as service or delivery fees, taxes, delivery tips, and any other non-EBT SNAP eligible items you may want to purchase. So now, once you confirm your payment, you are all set to pick up your groceries within the time frame you selected. And if you pick delivery, you can also choose a time and add any special instructions. There's also a box you could check to tell the delivery person to leave your groceries at your door if you're not around. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please learn more at ct.gov/SNAP or at our Healthy Family CT website.